60 welders needed in Canada at final interview ongoing na. O kabayan, halika na. Ikaw ba ay welder experienced o baguhan sa industriya ng welding at ikaw ay interesado magtrabaho sa Canada? Baka eto na ang mainit-init na job opening para sa'yo. 60 FCAW welder o flux cord arc welding o mas kilalang dual shield welding needed in Canada. Requirement sa posisyon na ito ang sumusunod. At least high school graduate. Minimum of 4 years of current experience as FCAW with exposure to semi-automatic, arc, argon, plasma and other welding methods. Can use air arc and flame cutter. Can also read plans or knows how to read plans and blueprints. Must have valid passport for more than 3 years. Must have NBI clearance valid for 1 year with no derogatory record or no record on file as remarks. Have SSS employment history. NPEOS certificate. Kung interesado ka kabayan ay, you can apply through these options. Una, go to www.ipams.com and apply using the job seekers page. Pangalawa, download the Ipams mobile app for free via Apple Store or Google Play and apply. Pangatlo, you may send your updated resume o CV and initial requirements to canadajobs@ipams.com with the subject of name/FCAW. Ang Ipams charges ay absolutely zero fees from all Filipinos. This means no placement fees, no processing fees, no salary deductions and no exceptions. Ano pa ang inaantay mo? Apply na. Salamat kabayan. Please like, share and subscribe para updated ka palagi sa mga oportunidad na trabaho papunta ng Canada. Kita-kits sa next video.